Hi guys, welcome to my 350 square foot studio apartment in Chicago, Illinois. Right away you see the kitchen on the left side here. To be honest, that backsplash is one of the main reasons I chose this apartment. Lots of cabinet space, and that dishwasher down below is a total lifesaver as well. On the right side of the door I have gloves, hats, my bag, and my vision board. And down below I have my shoes and Amazon packages that need returning, and my full-length mirror actually lives in the kitchen. So we'll head into the living room now. The living room is my main space, my open space. It's also my office with my desk, and right there you can see the edge of my bed where my bedroom is. So here's a closer look at my desk. Still have all my Christmas decor up because I just love it so much. And here we have my TV stand and TV. My little snowbirds down below, and my altar is actually tucked into the TV stand as well, so this is where I meditate. My books, Polaroid camera, puzzle my boyfriend got me, scrapbook. And then jutting into the kitchen a bit is my dresser. Almost all my furniture is from Wayfair. Moving on to my bedroom nook, if you will. This is a full-size bed and it fit just perfectly here. My nightstand with my amethyst on the dream book, if you know, you know. And my Christmas decor in the background. Still up and kicking. So let's take a closer look at the kitchen. This electric kettle and toaster are definitely my most used appliances because I'm constantly drinking tea and eating toast. And my absolute pride and joy is this spice kit that is magnetic and sticks to the fridge, and you can arrange them however you want. I love them so much. You can get this kit on Amazon if you want. They also sell it on Etsy, and it has all the names on the magnet sides. I just love these so much, and they're perfect for a small space like my studio. So let's take a peek in the bathroom now. Perfect for one person. I actually really love this medicine cabinet. It's mirrored on both sides inside. It's just very elegant looking. I'm very proud of my shower as well. I got these shower shelves on Amazon. And that's my little house, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the deets, the specifics on the screen here for this space. It's a small one, but I absolutely love it and it's perfect for me. Thanks again for watching. Bye.